Hello everyone, welcome back to Collegedunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about CAT Preparation 2023 free mock test question study material. CAT 2023 mock test will be released online on the official website, that is iimcat.ac.in. The authority has released separate CAT 2023 mock test link for non-PWD blindness or low vision and other PWD candidates. CAT 2023 official mock test contains selected questions from previous year papers. The aim of providing the mock test is to familiarize the candidate with different types of questions generally asked in CAT. The total time duration of CAT 2023 mock test is 120 minutes with a sectional time limit of 40 minutes. The official links of the mock test for CAT 2023 will be provided so that candidate can directly assess them. Let's check the how to assess CAT mock test by IIM. First, you need to visit the official website and then click on login. After that, you need to read the instructions. The instructions will appear on your screen. Read all the instructions carefully. All the instructions will be similar to the final CAT paper. The instructions include points like how to answer the questions, what will be the marking scheme, etc. After reading all the instructions, click on I am ready to begin. You will start immediately after clicking that button. After completing the test, you can click on submit button. Let's check the CAT mock test series by Collegedunia. CAT 2023 online mock test series are available for free. CAT mock test series covers 1 full length mock test, 3 sectional mock test, 34 quant topic wise mock test, 8 VARC topic wise mock test, 5 DILR topic wise mock test, 17 previous year paper mock tests. Let's check the how mock tests are useful for preparation. You can monitor your test performance and improve speed and accuracy. Devise a suitable strategy to attempt the exam. You can adapt to the new CAT exam pattern quickly and effectively. You will overcome anxiety by exercising mock tests multiple times before the actual CAT. Analyze your strong and weak areas in order to better your performance. You can generate data for self-analysis and in comparison to others. Let's check the CAT best books. CAT books for data interpretation and logical reasoning. CAT Data Interpretation and Logical Reasoning by Gautam Puri. Data Interpretation and Data Sufficiency by Ananta Ashisha. Logical Reasoning and Data Interpretation for the CAT by Nishit K. Sinha. How to prepare for data interpretation for CAT by Arun Sharma. CAT books for verbal ability and reading comprehension. 30 days to a more powerful vocabulary mass market paperback by Wilford Funk and Norman Lewis, Simon and Scuster. How to prepare for verbal ability and reading comprehension for CAT by Arun Sharma and Meenakshi Upadhyay or Arihant. High School English Grammar and Composition by Renan Martin. How to prepare for verbal ability and reading comprehension for the CAT by Sharma and Upadhyay. CAT books for quantitative aptitude. NCERT Mathematics Class 9 to 10 by NCERT. Quantitative Aptitude Quantum CAT by Sarvesh Sharma. Quantitative Aptitude for CAT by Nishit Sinha. How to prepare for Quantitative Aptitude for the CAT by Arun Sharma. Quantitative Aptitude for Competitive Examination by Abhijit Gua. You need to solve the CAT questions paper for CAT preparation. CAT 2023 aspirants must solve CAT previous year question papers to get valuable insight into the paper pattern. Types of questions, distribution of MCQs and TETA questions, difficulty level of each question, weightage of important topics and your weak and strong points. Let's check the CAT 2023 timetable for verbal ability and reading comprehension. You can give 2 hours for error detection, para jumbles, para completion, word usage and phrases. You can give 1 hour for picking the odd sentences, fact, inference, judgment, and give 2 hours for practice reading comprehension passages. Let's check the CAT 2023 timetable for data interpretation. Give 2 hours for basics for data interpretation, text for percentages, ratio, proportion, caslates. Give 3 hour tabular DI, pie charts, line charts, combination set. Let's check the CAT 2023 timetable for logical reasoning. Give 2 hours for blood relation, games and tournaments, selections, flirt based puzzles, box puzzles and other miscellaneous puzzles. Give 2.5 hours for sitting arrangement puzzles, LR sets based on ranking, directions and tests. Let's check the CAT 2023 quantitative aptitude timetable for arithmetic. Give 2 hours for averages, work and time, speed, time and distance, percentage, simple and compound interest ratio and proportion. Give 3 hours for profit and loss. Give 1.5 hours for pipes and cisterns. Give 1 hour for mixtures. Let's check the CAT 2023 quantitative aptitude timetable for algebra. Give 2 hours for quadratic equations, exponential logarithm. Give 1 hour for inequalities, linear equations, surds and indices. Give 1.5 hour for sequences and series. Let's check the CAT 2023 quantitative aptitude timetable for number system. Give 2 hour for basic of number theory, real, rational, irrational calculation tricks. Give 1.5 to 2 hour for HCF, LCM and remainder theorem. Give 2 hours for unit digit, concept and number of zeros. Give 1 hour for factor and multiples. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.